party list Bantay as the representative, hopefully, if we will win. If Bantay will win.
Sir, why?
Why did you decide to...
Yeah, why do you decide to enter politics?
Well, I've been encouraged by the members, the future constituents, because they feel that they need representation. Ito naman, with my entry, ang maging focus ko ngayon are communities na nagiging victims ng ating security problems. These are, we have both problems of economics and security. So, dahil mayroon akong kaalaman dyan, then I think I will focus on those people.
Sir, even though rebel infested areas?
Yes, the people who are victims and those people na gustong tumulong sa atin. Talaga namang marginalized din sila.
Mga biktima po ba ng NPA?
And yes, direct victim as well as yung consequential victim. Yung mga communities na hindi na makapagtrabaho dahil may bidwaan, may yung mga tao.
Saka sir, yung mga nagbalik loob sa
At nagbalik loob, sila ay kailangan din bigyan ng tulong kasi wala naman silang agad makitang buhay at kakayanan para in fact marami na sa kanila ang disgrasya. So I think they need help.
Sir, paano po kayo, how did you get to know yung group? I noticed Bantay, the real name is the Marcos Loyalist Group.
Yes, we are changing the name because there's already a structure. At in fact, itong mga ito ay talagang marginalized sila in the sense na nasa depressed communities. So, nag-jive lang yung ano namin. I think we need some station ngayon. Pinapasok ko na yung advocacy ko rin. I think we need to improve our security. So it's dual, economic as well as security.
So, parang natatandaan ko yung the true Marcos Loyalist for God and Country. Iba yung ano nila noon eh. Iba yung...
Yes, nagbago na rin yun eh. Kasi na-disqualify sila noon una. And then binago nila na at large. So, marginalized people at large. Humahanga lang naman sila doon sa dati pinuno. So ngayon, yung entry ko ito will find focus sa anong dapat gawin.
Paano ba kayo napasama sa grupo, sir? They approached you?
Kasi itong mga tao kung karamihan ito, sila din yung nasa communities na tatagpuan natin. And so yun, nagkaroon ng linkage. In fact, kung ano kayo, galing akong Samar, karamihan sila nandun sa Samar na galing doon. So yun, nagkaroon ng connection. Ang dating ano rito ay taga-Samar.
Sino po ba yung parang pinaka-presidente?
Cherry Cabarubias. No? So nagpalit na rin ng leadership.
Okay.
Yung in my entry. Yung dating she's from Samar.
Sino na ngayon, sir? Ang bagong...
I'd like to introduce Binti Angeles.
Okay. Kayo na
From
po yung...
the agriculture sector.
Kayo na po yung nag-take over dun sa old group.
Nandun pa rin sila. But we are just... kasi nag-iba na sila ng linya. May mga gagawin sila trabaho, hindi ka na-focus. Nagkakaroon sila ng more of related sa buhay. Hindi nila So,
nagkaroon ba ng formal change of name? Kasi dun sa certified list, nakalagay pa rin yung true
still, we have
Marcos.
to Bantay sa proof.
As a nickname.
But eventually.
So sir, kabilang po din sa mga miyembro, mga loyalista po.
Mga agricultural
Yes,
base.
nandun. They are members because kung nandun sila sa mga komunidad na hirapan. Yes, they're members. Yung mga dating membro nito, they're still members.